In this video, we'll be looking at this Gloryang thermal label printer that the brand sent me to check out. This is just the box that it comes in. I'll start with a quick unboxing here, show everything that's included, then show you how the printer actually works. This is a pretty unique printer because it's not going to use any ink. It is a thermal printer, so essentially use a special kind of paper. And it'll actually use heat to print on the paper rather than using ink or toner. So you don't have to ever worry about replacing any of that, and it's going to be a lot cleaner as well. So I really like this style of printer. It's going to be especially ideal for shipping labels, but you can also use it to make stickers or, gift labels, things like that as well. So that's all you can do with that, but just getting into the box, we do have on top here the user manual. Then we have a step-by-step guide for printing photos. Next we have a stack of 4x6 shipping labels, so it does include the first labels to get you started. And then we also have an app quick start guide. Next we just have the label printer itself. You can see what that looks like. It's definitely a lot more compact than a normal printer, to the point that you could actually travel with it if you needed to. But of course we'll look more at that in a minute. The final box we have here just contains our power cord and some other cables. So you can use this either wired or wireless depending on which device you're using it with. But first we have the power cable. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable for connecting it to Mac or other USB-C devices. Then we also have a USB-C to USB-A cable for using it with Windows. Looking closer at the printer itself, I went ahead and connected it to power. The other USB-C port on the back here is just going to be for connecting it to your computer if you want to use it via a wired connection. If you're using it with Mac, you will need to connect via USB-C, but if you're using it with an iPad or Windows or something similar, you can choose to use it either via USB-C or via Bluetooth. Now on the top of the printer here, we just have an indicator light as well as our power button. And then on the side, we do have a button to actually open the printer. So this is how we go ahead and load our thermal paper. So I'll just push this open button here. That will open the printer like this. And then we can adjust to the size of the paper we're going to be putting in here. I'm going to be using a 4x6 label, kind of the one that was included here. But of course, if you're using it with a smaller label, like I mentioned, you can print stickers or smaller labels as well. So if you wanted to do that, you can actually just make this a bit smaller and it will hold the right size paper here. But for now, we'll be putting it around the 4x6 mark. Then we'll just go ahead and load our paper here. So it needs to be a little bit wider. You do want to make sure it's pretty snug along the paper here. But yeah, that looks pretty good. So now we'll just go ahead and close the printer and then we'll kind of load the paper automatically. Alright, so that's loaded and we're pretty much ready to print. If we want to calibrate the paper, we can just double tap this button here. If we push it 3 times, it will actually print a test page as well. But for now, just to make sure it's properly loaded, I'll push the button once and it will print a blank page. So that's what that looks like, and you can see how fast that was as well. It will be about 1.5 seconds to print a 4x6 label. That's the other benefit of a thermal printer compared to a normal one. Not only is it not going to use any ink or toner or anything, but it will also print a lot faster. So especially if you're printing a bunch of labels at once, this will be really, really fast in comparison to a normal printer. But yeah, from here we're ready to print, so I'll just go ahead and use it with my iPad here. I do have the Jaden's printer app loaded up. This is the app that it says use in the instructions, and thankfully it does not require any sign in or making an account or anything. You can just register as guest, and you have access to printing directly on the printer here. So this will be the interface you're presented with, and it's actually a really nice app as well. If you want to create like custom things, you can do that, or you can of course print quickly directly off of email or Facebook or something like that. I went ahead and loaded up a test file here, so I'll just click on this one, label test 2. So you can see, I have a little clip art as well just to kind of test that part too, but now we'll just go ahead and push this print button. And again, you're able to choose the paper size, the number of copies, how fast you want it, all that. So you can actually customize a lot in this app before actually printing, which I think is super nice. But for now, I'll just go ahead and push print. And you can see how quick that was and how good it looks. So I'll go ahead and show it closer in the camera here. So again, it's going to be very, very clear. That's the other nice thing about this kind of thermal printer. I think it might be a little bit clearer if you choose to print it slower, but it does look very good overall, and that's especially cool because it's without using any ink or toner. And this is kind of your standard 4x6 label, which is what you would primarily use for shipping. But if you wanted to print something longer or smaller or even a round label, any of that, you're able to do all that with this printer here. I'll go ahead and do one more test here because they do have a lot of templates in the app as well. So if I wanted to make a Merry Christmas label, for example, I could do that. You can actually make barcodes directly on here. You just fill in your number and it will create a corresponding barcode. Same with QR codes. We also have a bunch of different shapes and things too. So definitely a lot of fun. There's a lot you can play around with here, which I think is especially good for small businesses. Or of course, if you just want to print your own stickers for fun, there's a lot you can play around with and customize in the app here, all without any additional software or even connecting to the printer with a cable. All right, so I'll just go ahead and print these few images here just for fun. Go ahead and do that now. Just press print. And you can see how easy that is. So that's what those look like. Again, exactly like we just created on the app. Super simple to do, and it's very fun while also being very practical, all without using any ink or toner.